IREN is trending down 8.52%. This is Friday, the 12th of December 2025. Intraday low $39.32. It has not a lot of shares have crossed the tape actually. From the look of things, it may not actually reach its 50-day average. So I think it may be an indication that people are not this is not a climatic event. People are not going away. They're not abandoning the stock. It's probably amongst other things what it might be indicating. It's a high beta stock as well. Yeah, it might be that. Let's see now. We have a memory problem here. Is it going to come up? Hopefully it should. So we'll see here that the stock is consolidating here. It's consolidating within a longer term bullish trend. It's 200-day moving average sloping bullishly upwards. So I think not long ago we covered the stock when it dipped and it bounced. So and you can see here it's consolidating. So this going by what we have seen already, you may actually pick up a bounce. Even the extrapolation is suggesting that that is what may happen. Okay, how strong the bounce will be is totally a different question altogether. Would it actually bounce? I really can't say for sure. Okay. So, but the extrapolation is just saying that it's just going to be the same consolidation. I would say consolidation within between 49.08 and 49.08 and 40.30. Okay. In any case, projections are currently saying, let's see what we have 41.01, 34.88. Okay. Momentum is expected to remain moderated with volatility. So yeah, just as okay, yeah. Actually, yes. At the same time as well, volatility is what is actually expected up till New Year's Eve, and the algo seems to be suggesting that for its 10-day moving average. Then after that, it might there might be a spike, which is also what is being extrapolated as well. But it's not really expected to go beyond its 40-day moving average. So in the interim, the stock is expected to trade within this tiny space that has been formed by the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average and the 40-day moving average. Okay, let's see now. There were actually more ambitious projections. We have 68.19, 79.14, 85.91 as of Tuesday the 9th. Okay, so we could actually have a look at its market grid. It might give us a range of prices. It may be it may not be, or it may be sufficient. Let's see now. Given that it's down 8.8%, it may okay. Yeah, the stock is trading at 40.46. So the range is between 47.1 and 40.78. So the stock is trading outside of that grid, implying that it might pull back. Okay, but at the same time, since it's outside that grid, it may continue to test lower prices. So all we can do is just quickly have a look at its 4-hour chart. It might give us real figures. It may give us real figures as against a case where it's trading outside of the grid. Okay, so here we can see it has pulled back. Yes, it has pulled back, and that's the trajectories to the upside as against what we have on the daily chart. So we have it's currently at 40.36. So it is in between the resistance. It's in the resistance zone. So here we can see that maybe it might go ahead and retest 40.73. So here the range is between 41.89 and 37.28. Okay, so volatility is also what is expected going all the way towards the 23rd of December. Projections are saying 43.51. Okay, previous projections as of Monday the 8th, we have 51.80, 56.38, 59.20. If you go back to the 20th of November, there was as high as 62.85, 64.42, 76.66, 77.75. So I think there's a chance it might just be the same consolidation. Yeah, but here it's with a distributive bias. Yeah, consolidation within a consolidation with a distributive bias. So volatility is what is expected. So Some people might buy this deep because maybe it might bounce. Okay, it might bounce, or it has actually bounced, it seems. But I think in that case, our best bet might be going back to the weekly chart, where it's saying it's the same thing as well, saying that yeah, it might pick up, it might bounce again, and just keep on consolidating within a tight space, within I would say maybe between 43 and $40, or even as low as $34. Okay, just as the algo seems to be, or rather the market read seems to be suggesting on the, I think, on the 4 hour chart. Yeah, so more of a consolidation, but I really can't say, I really wouldn't recommend that you get involved, because it could be totally wrong. If you buy this, if you want to uh, play this volatility, this, it has already bounced based on what we are looking at right now, and you could be left out, you could be left carrying the bag and all that. So if anything, it's not a recommendation, but I still expect the consolidation to keep playing out based on this 4 hour time frame, and on the um, on the daily chart. Okay, so yeah, let's see how all of these things go, and thank you very much for watching this video.